right here, and I have a new fidget spinner. Sorry for the wind, it's really windy outside. And this is the fidget spinner. My iPad is on 10%. By the way, I'm using my iPad. And here it is, guys. It's Captain America. It's really cool. You should buy it too. I bought this for $15, so that's expensive. And look, it hypnotizes me, guys. Look. I'm gonna kill him. Okay, don't. Just joking, guys. Well, look, it is so cool, guys. See that? And here's my bird, guys. If you hear that thingy, my birds. Can you see that, guys? I'm sorry for the lighting. And yeah. What the heck? My bird's like flying around everywhere. Oh, sorry. See that, guys? And sorry if you guys want Jovan to be here, but he's not here. He might be in my next video. And Trixx Place. Thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It really means so much to me. Like so much, guys. Thank you, guys. And Trixx Place signing off. Wow, hear that noise? Yes. So, say hi. Say hi. One of them is called Trixie, guys. Oh yeah, that guy's called Trixie. I forgot. Sorry, Trixie. That's Trixie, and all of them is called Tricksters. Say hi, Trixie. Oh yeah, I forgot. One of them is called Maverick. Hi, say hi. Logan